Hello everyone. Today we'll be building spinner basically using HTML and CSS. A very simple and basic spinner, right? So let's start by creating the index.html file. So I'm in HTML file. I'll just name this one index.html. Also, let me create the CSS file as well. I'll just name this one style.css. Let me close this one. Let me come here and create a very basic HTML template and give the title name spinner example. So let's link the style sheet as well and give the path and name style.css. So this is one thing. After doing this, let's start writing the HTML code. So I'll just take div. This is going to be the parent div. Let me give class name spinner hyphen container. Also inside this one, let me consider one more div and give class name spinner. This is one thing. So let's take the text. This is nothing but the loading text. You can take anything you want. I'll just give please wait. You can just take loading as well. So this is it for the HTML. And let's start writing the CSS code, right? So initially what I'll do, let's style for the spinner container. So I'll just come here. Let me copy this one, spinner hyphen container. Let me paste it over here. For this one, I'll just give display flex. Before this one, let me come here. And what I have done is I have installed an extension called live server, basically this one. So what this does is whenever we make changes in the HTML file, index.html file, we don't have to reload the page again and again to see the changes. And so the changes can be automatically seen in the browser, right? So this will be very helpful. You can install it as well. I'll just come here. Let me right click and click on open with live server. Let me close this one. So this is looking like this now. Let's continue writing the styles. So I'll give flex direction, column, also align item center, justify content center, height, 100 view height, so background color, yeah, this is one thing. This is for the spinner container. Next, let's style for the spinner. So I'll just come here. Let me copy this one here. Within this div, we have given a class name spinner, right? So height, let me give 40 pixel. Also width, let me give 40 pixel. Border, let me give 5 pixel. Solid, let me choose this color 8678 AC. So this is looking like this, right? So next, border, let's type completely. Border top color I want to make use of. Let me give transparent, right? So let's make this one transparent. Also border radius, let's make this circle, right? This one, what you're seeing right now, this is rectangle, I mean square. Let's make this circle. So I'll just make use of border radius of 50%. Then animation, let's make use of the keyframe. So I'll just name this one spin. 1 second. Let me set this one to linear, infinite, so that it keeps on spinning. This is one thing. Let's make use of the keyframes and style for the spin. The name that we have given here, right? This one, we have to make this one. We have already given infinite. By making this one, it has to rotate, right? Completely. For that one, I'll just give from. Let me make use of the transform property for this. Let me give rotate of, initially let's set this one to 0 degree, and 2, let me make use of the transform property again. So rotate of, let's give 360 degree. This is it, right? So let me give 360 degree. Let me format the document once. You can see the text, please wait, as well as the spinner. This is a very simple example of creating the spinner. This is it. Everything is working properly. This is it. Thanks for watching, guys.